Hey everyone, it's been a little while since I made a video, but I got in some 108 millimeter Swiss Army knives, and they actually had boxes, so it's not often I see them with the boxes, so I wanted to open them up here. So this one is a Solo Plus, so you had the main blade. And this also has a corkscrew. I don't normally see these often, and very rarely do I see them with a box. And so they normally, I guess when they were brand new, they would have these vinyl sleeves, slip cases, similar to the ones that you get with a classic. A lot of times the other end is cracked. Basically you could slide it all the way through. This one isn't. It actually is pretty flat, so it doesn't seem like it was used. You have the standard instructions that you'd get with Victorinox, and warranty, legacy. Interested to see. Oh yes, the tool list, which doesn't cover anything. Well, it has a corkscrew. Well, this one has a corkscrew and a main blade. But most 108 millimeters don't have. They had a combo saw, and well, in all's on pretty much all the normal Swiss Army knives. The other thing you'll notice is that with the sleeve in there, the slip case, that it pushes the box out, so these guys don't fit well in the normal Victorinox boxes. Still had the sticker on it from being a Solo Plus in red ribbed nylon, so was at least the original outer sleeve. So some of the boxes will have labeling on the end, like this one here has soldier written on the end of the slip, the slide box, but this one does not. The other one I have is obviously an older Victorinox box, the red shell. This is a Hunter. So we have main blade. We have the combo saw, and it has the curved Hunter blade. What else? They also call it the gutting blade on when they put it on the 111 millimeters. Underside you have the awl and the longer than normal corkscrew. Overall in really great shape. I don't believe they normally came with a lanyard. It's brand new, but hey, it is there and it's in the box. The last thing I got in, true unboxing, got this one in the mail. It's from it's a custom one for one of my friends. Not one that I made. Actually, I guess I've made one 108 millimeter, so they're engineered a little bit differently, but gotta get in here and if I can just move these guys out of the way. You can do it, team. I thought I could. This guy is glued in good. Probably should have used a saw on this guy instead of the blade. Probably would have worked better. Alright. Actually just cut through the cardboard and oh, smash. It's all taped in there. Alright. Lots of tape, lots of packaging. So, and in here I can feel it. I think it also included a patch. We'll see. Maybe somebody's into ASMR and is really enjoying this. If you're not, I'm sorry. It's got to be an easier way. It's out. Ha! I felt it. That's it. Keep it here. Alright. Yes. Patch. This is made by Gregoire. He is here on YouTube. I'll share it with him. Link. And it is one of his custom 108 millimeters. Even has Victorinox paper. Ooh, fancy. Alright. Slow unwrapping, unveil. I can see brass. I see brass. Oh, that is shiny. My fingerprints are going to leave a mark. Look at that. So, looks like brand new blade. Got the corkscrew. We got the awl. We have the saw. It is a trooper, but with custom brass scales. So look at that. Just shiny and now full of fingerprints. So you can see where the pins are on here. You can't really see them all that well in person. So excellent polishing job. Man, that's a beautiful piece. So, head to my friend, but yeah, no, had to show it here first. Man, looks nice. Well, until next time, everyone, have a great day and enjoy your knives and your friends.